Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and Dlaminis. Usibongile and Kwenzo have mended their relationship. Their relationship is back to lovey-dovey. But the question is, will it last? Considering that Usibongile has one thing or the other always going on and disturbing the relationship. Samke is still investigating uPhetheni. The grudge that she has against Phetheni seems to be very huge because at this point, girl is willing to do everything and anything to make sure that she gets back at uPhetheni. Now she went to indoda kaPhetheni and told indoda kaPhetheni ukuthi uPhetheni akagijima unwenza umhlolo, meaning she is busy committing adultery. With that said, indoda yakhe uSibalikhulu has been playing happy family with uNomfundo with the hopes of making ubaba lo omusha, the new boyfriend, jealous. But it seems like the guy is confident about who he is and himself, and at this point is not yet jealous of the relationship that Themba is portraying them to have. Sangweni is acting out of character, being disrespectful, not going to school. At this point, the death of Umamake has just landed in a wrong way. Ugai is not coping at all. Question is, will he continue disrespecting Lobaba, considering Uguti at this point Lobaba is all that they have? Yes, Umalume is there, but we all know that Umalume cannot provide or put anything on the table for them. UVelephi yena-ke decided ukuthi this is the perfect time to agree ukuthi lo mfana lo amshade uSipho. Remember uSipho had proposed and wamhleka wathi nje uSipho uyayibhedela nje umfana omncane akayazi into ayifunayo. But because uSipho was persistent, girl agreed to say yes, you can marry me, I can be your wife. Remember ukuthi uSipho uqedile umatric sekatoha lapha ewarehouse. Inkomo ukuthi kibozi khona ile singakayazi, but ke lo uzoba umakoti very soon.